Right now, robot arms are mostly limited to tedious factory work in the real world, often costing tens of thousands of dollars. You could always go the DIY route and try building one at home, but there's only so much you can do in your garage. After all, you're not Tony Stark. UFACTORY wants to bring a little mechanical helper magic to consumers with its new robotic appendage, the xArm. It can pour your coffee, feed your pet, and even help you do your hair when you need an extra hand. The xArm is a big step up from UFACTORY's previous venture, the UArm. We're looking at a super light, carbon fiber chassis equipped with 7 programmable axes and a number of attachments that can be changed depending on need. The one you'll probably use the most is the gripper hand, which can pick things up and put them down with a lot of finesse. The xArm's sensors will let it know how much pressure it needs to apply and how much weight it's trying to lift, so it won't accidentally end up breaking your favorite mug when it's time for tea service. You can pre-program actions using the control software, telling it to pick up items from a certain point and place them in a specific spot, but ideally the xArm's cameras will eventually be able to figure out those locations for you. Say, if you'd like the xArm to feed your pet, but Fluffy's moved her bowl, as cats do. Right now it's pretty rudimentary. It was easy enough to pick up something like a soda can, but it still took a while for the arm to get into position. It's not going to be replacing my fragile human limbs anytime soon. The idea is to open up the platform to developers who can create a plethora of tasks for the xArm to perform. The staff at UFACTORY want programming the xArm to be as simple for consumers as selecting from a menu, or pushing a button on a controller, with even more options opening up as people discover new ways to manipulate the xArm. The possibilities grow even more when you consider the variety of attachments you can create, like this suction cup that basically performs cupping therapy. It's supposed to be great for improving blood flow, and it just feels really funny too. Even with a price point under $10,000, the xArm is going to cost you when it hits Kickstarter in October. That might place it beyond most users, but still, when it launches, we'll be a lot closer to a Jetsons-esque science fiction future, the kind where your house cooks your breakfast, helps you get dressed, and gives you a great blowout. I love you, cold, unfeeling robot arm.